Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Altima tail light. First, open your trunk and locate the small access panel or trim piece directly behind the tail light. You'll need to carefully remove any plastic clips or screws holding the trunk liner in place. Once those are out, gently pull back the trunk liner to fully expose the back of the tail light assembly. This gives you clear access to the bulbs. Now that you have access, identify the specific bulb socket for the tail light that needs replacing. It's usually a distinct color or shape. To remove it, twist the socket counterclockwise by approximately 1/4 turn. Once it's loose, gently pull the entire socket straight out from the tail light housing. Then, carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of its socket. With the old bulb removed, take your new replacement bulb and firmly insert it into the empty socket. Make sure it's seated correctly and securely. Next, align the bulb socket with the opening in the tail light housing. Push the socket in, then twist it clockwise by about 1/4 turn until it locks securely into place. You should feel a slight click, indicating it's properly seated. Almost done, carefully push the trunk liner back into its original position, ensuring everything aligns correctly. Reinstall all the plastic clips and screws you removed earlier to secure the liner. Finally, close your trunk and have someone help you test the new tail light. Turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new tail light illuminates properly and is fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.